So guys, hearing here for more very beautiful video has been came on IB also signing developer. Unlike previously we started our new series about the C++ and in today's C++ video I'm telling about the pointers. If you don't know what are pointers, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it in the what are pointers and how to use the pointers. And in today's video I will be explain you all things about the pointers. So see video start to and now. Do not forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our any future related videos about the C++. And tell me in the comment section below when our C++ series has been ended, so which type of series we will be started on this channel. So tell me in the comment section below. But anyways, let's move computers game and let's know about in the C++ what are pointers and how to use them. So let's move computers game and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, hearing this shit, one more word came out the C++, and in today's C++ video, I'm telling you about the pointers in C++. So let's get started and let's learn about the pointers in C++. So let's start. Creating a pointers. You learned from the previous chapter, you learned from the previous chapter, and the previous chapter we learned about the memory address. So that we can get the memory address of a variable by using the AND operator, like I have already told you in the previous video. This is one example. In this example, here there is a one food variable of a type string. Here you can see it. Here is a one food variable by the type string, and in the third line we are outputs the value of a food pizza, and in the fourth line we outputs the memory address of a food. Now let's see which type of output it will be giving me. Now let me copy it and let me paste it. Here what we can do here, first of all we write a starting code over C++, and then here I have already explained you the code of it. Okay, so now let me run it from here. Now it is giving me the output pizza. Then in the second output it is giving me 0x7ff4370b40. Now let me copy it. Here you can see it like that. Now a pointer, however, is the variable that stores the memory address as its value. A pointer variable points to the data type like int or string of the same type and is created with the star operator. The address of the variable you are working with is assigned to the pointer. Like this is one example. This is the here in the first line of code there is a one food variable of a type string, and then in the second line of code there is a pointer variable with the name ptr that stores the address of a food. And then in this line there is a one output the value of a food pizza. Then in this line here it is output the memory address of a food, and this is the memory address of a food. This type of output it will give you. Then here we output the memory address of a food with the pointer, and this is our pointer. Now let me copy this code, and now when I copied and when I paste it from here, and then do not remove these all thing, only paste it from here and remove this only, and then enter press. Now when you run it, so now it give you pizza. Then here it is giving you two memory address. Now here you can see why it is giving two memory address, because here I output the memory address of food with the pointer, and here I output the memory address of the food. So that's why it is giving me two memory address. Example explain. Let me explain you the example. Create a pointer variable. Here we create a one pointer variable with the name ptr. Where let me show you. Here we create a one pointer variable with the name of ptr that points to a string variable by using the asterisk sign. Where is the asterisk sign? There is the asterisk sign. Now then what we can do here, strings asterisk sign and ptr. Note that the type of a string has to match the type of the variable you are working with. Use the AND operator to store the memory address of the variable called food and assign it to the pointer. Now ptr holds the value of food's memory address, where here you can see it there. Then what we can do here, then the type of variable you are working with. Now use the AND operator to store the memory address of the variable called food and assign it to the pointer. Now, PTR holds the value of a food memory address, like I have shown you in the above. Here you can see it. Now, tip, there are three ways to declare pointer variables, but the first way is preferred. Okay, there are three ways to declare pointers variable, but the first way is preferred. And where is the preferred way? This is the preferred way. There are three ways. First way is the preferred way. Second way is a not very satisfied way, and third way is also not satisfied. But the first way is very preferred. Okay, preferred. Okay, so here you can see in today's video of C++, I told you about the C++ what are pointers. So now, I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to all notification bell also enable server and any future related videos about the C++. And please do not forget to access my C++ playlist and do not forget to bookmark it also. But anyways, in today's video C++, I told you about what are pointers in C++. So our memory address series has been also been our memory so please go and see my memory previous video, because the previous video is very related to this video. So that's why I'm telling you to see my previous video also. But anyways, I meet you next class and next very amazing like that type of C++ videos. So now for today, goodbye.